10 world's biggest container ships. Have you ever wondered how these gigantic ships get into the water? Here's a hint. And this is the size of the pistons inside the engine that drive these massive container ships. Also, this is what the inside of these gigantic ships does during a massive storm. So let's see which is the biggest and which is the smallest of these behemoths. Chapter 1. MSC Irina class. The MSC Irina is an absolute giant in the world of container ships. Built in 2023 by Jiangsu Yangzi Xinfu Shipbuilding in China, it's one of the largest ever, stretching nearly 400 meters long and 61.3 meters wide. This behemoth can carry a staggering 24,346 TEUs with a gross tonnage of 233,328 and a dead weight of 240,739 metric tons. It sails under the Liberian flag and is operated by MSC, running major routes between Europe and Asia. What makes it special isn't just its size, but also its cutting-edge efficiency. It features an energy-saving bulbous bow, massive propellers, and an air lubrication system to reduce drag. Plus, it has shaft generators for extra power. As the lead ship of its class, it has several sister ships, like the MSC Loreto and the MSC Mariella. Simply put, it's a marvel of modern shipping and logistics. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button, like these machines are about to smash down giant trees. Chapter 2. OOCL G-Class. The OOCL G-Class 2023 is a powerhouse in the world of container shipping, built for efficiency and sheer capacity. One of the standout ships in this class is the OOCL Spain, which made history as the first in the fleet to exceed 24,000 TEUs, reaching a massive 24,188 TEUs. At nearly 400 meters long and over 61 meters wide, it's one of the largest container ships ever built. It was constructed in China by Nangtong COSCO KH-1 Ship Engineering and sails under the Hong Kong flag. These ships are designed for the busy Asia to Europe trade routes, using cutting-edge smart technology to optimize fuel consumption and improve navigation. With a gross tonnage of 235,341 and a draft of 16.5 meters, the G-Class is all about efficiency and sustainability. OOCL has really pushed the limits with this class, making global shipping more advanced than ever. Chapter 3. The ONE-1 class. The third largest container in the ship world is built for sheer capacity and efficiency. With a massive 24,136 TEU capacity, it stretches 400 meters long and over 61 meters wide. These ships, operated by the Ocean Network Express, ONE, were built in Japan by Imabari Shipbuilding and Japan Marine United in 2023. They sail under the Liberian flag and are designed for global trade, particularly between Asia and Europe. What makes the ONE-1 class special is its advanced design. It features a unique hull shape to maximize cargo intake by minimizing fuel consumption. The bow windshield, energy-saving devices, and exhaust gas cleaning system help reduce emissions and meet strict IMO regulations. It even has an extra container bay, allowing it to carry more containers than most ships its size. With its cutting-edge technology and massive scale, this class is a game-changer in global shipping. Chapter 4. MSC Tessa class. While the ONE-1 class holds the title of the third largest container ship, the MSC Tessa isn't far behind. With a capacity of 24,116 TEUs, it's just slightly smaller, but still an absolute giant in global shipping. Like its competitors, it stretches 400 meters long and over 61 meters wide, built for efficiency and massive cargo loads. Constructed in 2023 by Hudong Zonghua Shipbuilding in China, the MSC Tessa sails under the Liberian flag and operates on major trade routes between Europe and East Asia. What makes it special is its cutting-edge, energy-saving features. With its hybrid scrubber, a small bulbous bow, a large diameter propellers, and energy-saving ducts, all designed to maximize fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. While its capacity is slightly less than the ONE-1 class, its advanced design and eco-friendly technology make it one of the most innovative ships sailing today. Chapter 5. Evergreen A-Class. Imagine a ship nearly the length of 4 football fields carrying thousands of containers filled with goods from all around the world. That's the Evergreen A-Class, one of the largest container ship series ever built. Introduced in 2022, these giants are operated by Taiwan's Evergreen Marine and can carry a staggering 24,004 TEUs. At 400 meters long and 61.5 meters wide, they rival any mega container ship in size. Built by Samsung Heavy Industries in South Korea and China State Shipbuilding Corporation, the A-Class is designed for efficiency. The ships feature a slick design to optimize cargo space while keeping fuel consumption in check. They primarily navigate the busiest trade routes between Asia and Europe, ensuring the seamless flow of global commerce. With their massive capacity and advanced engineering, the Evergreen A-Class ships are a testament to how far maritime logistics have come in handling global trade. Chapter 6. Evergreen A-Class 2021. The Evergreen A-Class is a massive vessel in Evergreen Marine's fleet, though slightly smaller than the 2022 models we discussed earlier. The lead ship, Ever Ace, made waves when it was delivered in 2021, carrying a massive 23,992 TEUs. At 399.98 meters long and 61.5 meters wide, it's still a giant, but a bit shorter in capacity compared to the later 2022 version, which carries 24,004 TEUs. Both the 2021 and 2022 A-Class ships share a similar design, with the deckhouse positioned near the bow to maximize cargo space. Built by Samsung Heavy Industries, they're powered by a powerful engine that enables them to cruise at 22.6 knots. What sets the 2021 version apart is its role as the first in the class to set new standards for global container shipping, leading the way for even larger ships that followed. Chapter 7. HMM Algeciras Class Daewoo. Think of the HMM Algeciras as a massive floating skyscraper, capable of carrying an incredible number of containers across the ocean. Delivered in 2020, this behemoth measures 399.9 meters in length and 61 meters in width, making it one of the largest shipping containers ever built. With a capacity of 23,964 TEUs, it's like a city on the water, transporting goods on some of the busiest trade routes between Asia and Europe. The ship's design is all about efficiency, with its size carefully calculated to maximize cargo space while still fitting within global port restrictions. With a gross tonnage of 228,283 gross tons and a dead weight of about 232,606 metric tons, the HMM Algeciras is a powerhouse of the shipping industry. It's a prime example of how modern container ships are pushing the boundaries of global trade, moving goods faster and more efficiently than ever before. But the HMM comes with another entry in the behemoth list. Chapter 8. HMM Algeciras Class SH1. Compared to the HMM Algeciras built by Daewoo, the SHI-built HMM Algeciras class is slightly smaller in capacity, with a maximum load of 23,820 TEUs. However, it's still one of the largest container ships in the world. At 399.9 meters long and 61.5 meters wide, it mirrors the Algeciras' impressive dimensions, designed to optimize cargo space while staying within global port limits. Launched in 2020 and built by Samsung Heavy Industries, this ship is engineered for maximum efficiency on major trade routes, especially between Asia and Europe. With a gross tonnage of around 232,311 gross tons and a dead weight of 229,039 metric tons, it's a true powerhouse. Chapter 9. MSC Gülsün Class. The MSC Gülsün class is like a floating city. Launched in 2019, the MSC Gülsün is 39.9 meters long and 61.5 meters wide, with a massive capacity of 23,756 TEUs. Built by Samsung Heavy Industries in South Korea, it was the largest container ship in the world when it was introduced. Weighing in at 232,618 gross tons with a dead weight of 228,149 metric tons, it's a true titan of the seas. Designed for efficiency, the ship features an optimized hull to reduce fuel consumption and emissions, setting a new standard for sustainable shipping. If you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to crush that subscribe button. Chapter 10. Hapag-Lloyd Berlin Express Class 2023. The Berlin Express, launched in 2023, is a flagship container ship in Hapag-Lloyd's Hamburg Express class. At 400 meters long and 61 meters wide, it can carry an impressive 23,600 TEUs. This vessel is powered by a powerful MAN engine capable of reaching speeds of 22 knots and features a dual fuel system that allows it to run on LNG, cutting CO2 emissions by up to 25%. Built by Hanwha Ocean in South Korea, the Berlin Express operates on major Asia-Europe trade routes, boosting global shipping efficiency while supporting Hapag-Lloyd's sustainable practices for the future. Would you ever work aboard a container ship during the severe storm? Let us know in the comments below. Here's another video forestry enthusiasts love watching.